Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mamta Gautam. Today's topic of discussion is hardness of water. So, when we say a water is soft or hard water, first discuss with soft water. Water that produces lather with soap called as soft water. And what is hard water? Water that does not produces lather with soap called as hard water. What is hardness? Hardness is soap consuming capacity of water. Hardness causing iron, calcium and magnesium react with soap and it will give insoluble precipitate of calcium or magnesium salt. And what is soap? Soap is generally long chain of fatty acids which are highly soluble in water. Soap then react with calcium or magnesium, it will give insoluble precipitate. There is no detergent actions. What is the causes of hardness? Hardness causing iron present in hard water may be calcium ion, magnesium ion, aluminium ion, ferric ion. Lather is not produced until all cations are precipitate out in the soluble salt of precipitate. Finally, how many types of hardness? Hardness is of two types, temporary hardness and permanent hardness. What is temporary hardness? Temporary hardness is due to the presence of calcium bicarbonates and magnesium bicarbonates. It means bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. Temporary hardness can be removed by boiling and which converts the bicarbonates into carbonates. What is permanent hardness? Permanent hardness is due to the presence of chloride and sulfates of calcium and magnesium. Permanent hardness can't be removed by boiling. These removed by a special method like zeolite process, ion exchange process, and lime soda process. Water softening we will discuss after later. Hardness can be expressed in terms of calcium carbonate equivalent. Although hardness of water is never present in the form of calcium carbonate because it is insoluble in water. So, hardness of water is conventionally expressed in terms of calcium carbonate equivalent. Now, I am given the formula for numericals. Calcium carbonate equivalent for hardness is equal strength of the impurities in milligram per liter into 100 upon molecular weight of the substance. Now we will discuss water softening by zeolite process. What is zeolite? Zeolite is naturally occurring. It is hydrated sodium aluminosilicate which is capable of exchanging its sodium ion with the hardness causing ion of cation. The chemical formula of zeolite is Na2O Al2O3 dot XSiO2 dot YH2O. These are the variable for X and Y. X is 2 to 10 and Y is 2 to 6. Sodium zeolite can be represented by Na2Z. Zeolite holds sodium ions loosely and where Z is insoluble zeolite. Now in water softening process, when hard water is passed through this inlet and come in contact with zeolite bed, hardness causing ion like calcium or magnesium salts are retained by zeolite as calcium zeolite or magnesium zeolite, while outgoing water contains sodium ions. After some times, all the cations are completely converted into calcium zeolite or magnesium zeolite. At this stage, zeolite bed gets exhausted. Now, at this stage, the supply of hard water is stopped and zeolite bed is regenerated with the help of brine solution. Here we have some chemical reactions. Calcium bicarbonate react with sodium zeolite and it will form calcium zeolite and 2 molecule of sodium bicarbonate. Similarly, magnesium bicarbonate react with sodium zeolite and it will give magnesium zeolite. Magnesium chloride react with sodium zeolite and it will give exhausted magnesium zeolite. Now water becomes free from all the cations. Exhausted zeolite can be regenerated with the help of brine solution. Calcium zeolite react with sodium chloride and it will give again regenerate sodium zeolite. Regenerate sodium zeolite further used for reprocess of water softening. Advantage of zeolite process. It requires less time for softening. Structure is compact, occupies less space. Disadvantage zeolite process, only cations are removed by this process. Anions are not removed by this process.